Assalamu alaikum. This is our semester project of data structures subject. We were given the project on the Coursera, namely Python data structures or introduction. I am Abdul Waheed. I am student of Sukkur IBA University at the department BS Computer Science, studying at the semester 3.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Daniyal from third semester section A. So in this project which is given to us by Sir Saif, Python data structures, Waheed and I will be working as a group partners.
Project introduction. As the name of our project is creating quiz using Python data structures. In this project, we will create a quiz using the Python data structure. We will also provide the source code in this video, and we will also explain the code, and we will also show you the demonstration of the project. And now my group mate will show you the project demonstration, and he will explain each and every function in the code of the project and everything else in the project's code.
So this is the code we are going to use for completing our quiz creation in data structures project. So these are the two functions which we will be totally using. So these are the main things which will matter in this code. So and further there is some procedure that how it is working and how it is creating a quiz, and we are also using some two CSV files from which we are fetching the data, like countries, names and their all data. So we have those files in the same project. So I will be explaining these to you one by one. So we will move to our first function, which is get definition and pop function. So in this we have given it two parameters, word list and word dictionary. So this function will return the value by getting the key, where key is the word and definition is a value. So we have created a variable random index. So in this we will be storing the random number, which will be under the word list size. See this length of word list. So in this variable we will be storing any random value, and then we have another variable word list pop. So we will be storing it and the value, the random index, and we will be pop data from that index and store it into the word and definition. So finally we will in the definition variable we will convert word variable into the word dictionary. So we will return the word and definition in the end of this function. So this is our second function, get word definition. So we can assume from the name that it is used for getting the definition of word from the CSV files we are using. So in this we will be giving it a parameter raw string, simply a string. So and after that, getting the parameter, we will be using two variables, word and definition, and we will be splitting the raw string which we have taken as a parameter. We will split it when by a semicolon and number in each of the variables, and then we will return the word and definition. So this is the all work of second function. And after that we will be using another variable fh, and in this we will be opening our data file, which is the format CSV. So we have also mentioned there are in the double colon, and that is for reading, because we are not going to write in that file, but we are only going to read the data from that file. So and after that we will be creating another variable wd list, and in this we will be reading our all lines in fh. And what is our fh variable? It is the csv file data.csv file. So and after that we will be we will set the data which we have collected from the data file. So we will be creating another wd set file variable, and we will set wd list. So it will be stored set data, and after setting, the data will be stored in wt set. And after that we will also open the other file data set csv, and in this we will be writing, not reading. So we will create a file with no duplicates for dictionary, and we will write fh write lines wd set. So we will be writing the lines which we have set it and get from the data file. So we will write them in the dataset csv file. So this was the second function, and after that we also have set data from data file and transferred it to the dataset.csv file, and we have success. So after the function 2, we will be creating another dictionary variable. So we have created a word dictionary, and it is in the form of dictionary. So actually in this word dictionary we will be storing all the data which we have gathered in the variable wd set, which is the set data which we have collected from the csv files. So that's why I have used for loop roasting in wd set the data in the wd set, and we will store them in the word and definition variable. And in the last we at the index word we will be storing the definition in the word dictionary. So after creating dictionary, we will be manipulating it to create our quiz. So we have used while loop. So until true, it is going to, then it will convert our word dictionary into the list form, and it will store it into the wd list variable, and it will give us a list of keys. So we have another created variable choice list, and in this we will be storing the keys. So and after that, first of all, we will create the empty choice list. So for that we have used another for loop in range, and we will run it for the 4 times to create 4 choices. So word definition is equal to get definition and pop wd list and word dictionary. So it will fetch the keys and the choices, and it will store them in word and definition and choice list dot append, and we will append the choice in the choice list which we have created here, and it will be a list of keys. So we will append the definition into it so that user can see them and choose its choice. So we will, and then again we will shuffle the choices, because we are not going to give them the choices as they are mentioned in any particular order. So we'll shuffle the choices, random.shuffle choice list. So in this choice list, the elements in the choice list will be shuffled and print word. So it will print the choices for it. So in the very last, we will print the choices for user to attempt. So for that we are using a for loop for idx choice and enumerate choice list. So this will print the choices with their IDs plus 1, because it will start either 1, 2, 3 choice. So after that, it will give facility to user to select any of its choice from 1, 2, 3, and it will exit if user input 0. So after getting input from the user, it will check whether the choice is correct or not, and for that we have used if else condition. So in a if condition, we will check if the choice given by the user -1, and -1 means because it will start from index, its index will start from 0 and user is giving from 1 to 4, so it will automatically -1 and check the choice. So if it is correct, then correct, then if it's wrong, then it will tell the user it is wrong. So this is the whole project, Python project for creating a quiz using data structures. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video, and we have also shared the GitHub repository link with you guys. You can see the live demonstration of the project there, and thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.